Hello you all, I am Militão Ricardo from Porto Alegre, Rio Grande do Sul in Brazil. This lesson is for week 1 of Introduction to Music Production at Coursera.org. I'll be teaching some basic information about microphones. Well, what is a microphone? A microphone is a transducer. It's a kind of device that converts from one kind of energy to another. In audio production, we have sound waves. That's a flow of energy through the air. And usually, we want to register those sounds in some physical device. But before we can record it in an electrical or digital device, we need to convert those sound waves in voltage variations using the microphones. That's their task. That's what they're made for. As you may see, we have sound waves going through the air and going through the microphone, and they are converted into electrical signs, which will go through an amplifier or to a recording device. Well, we have many kinds of microphones. We have dynamic microphones, they are optimized for the human voice. They don't capture very much the lower frequencies or higher frequencies. They tend to record the frequencies around where usually the human voice sounds mostly. We have the condenser mics, which are most suited for recording studios, ambience where you have control over the natural reverb of the room, and you can control how many sounds you have over there and which kind of sounds you have over there. And they have a more broader response curve. Okay, we have different polar patterns in the microphones. Polar patterns for polar patterns, we mean in which direction do they capture the sounds. We have the cardioid or the unidirectional microphones, which capture sounds in one direction, like this microphone. We have the omnidirectionals, which capture the sounds on from all directions on 360 degrees, like this. They work more or less like this. And this is a very small microphone that you use for broadcasting, and you have to use it mostly inside recording studios for broadcasting, because they are omnidirectional. The bidirectional or figure of 8 microphones, they are more suited for example, if you are making an interview with one person and you need to use just one microphone now, and in one person sitting in front of another. The hypercardioid microphones, they are extremely directional microphones, and you can use it for outside recording for video or movie, for example. You have these kinds of microphones, or for example the shotgun microphones, which are very radical. You use it when you have to record some images. You cannot have the microphone on the image, so you attach this microphone to a boom, and you have a technician turning this microphone straight to the mouth of the person who's speaking. For example, this is another example. You have a camera with a shotgun microphone attached to. And here you have some equipment like the wind screens on the left side, on the upper right side, so you avoid when you are speaking, if you put out too much air, and you can make noise on the microphone, or these two examples on the upper side when you are recording outside with a very windy day, and to the right side on the bottom you have this kind of a suspension to hold condenser microphones on studio, so you avoid any kind of outside external vibrations so you can have a better recording. Okay, well, thank you very much.